Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana, half-bound lotus forward bend pose. Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana is a Sanskrit word in which the meaning of Ardha, half, Baddha means bound, Padma means lotus, Paschima means back, Uttana means intense stretch, and the word asana means pose. This forward bending, the heel presses into the abdomen, stimulates the liver and spleen. Both organs play a part in the digestive processes. Begin in Dandasana. As you inhale, bend your right knee, bring it tight close towards the body. As you exhale, external rotate the right hip. Bring the right hand outside of the right leg and the left hand on the outer side of the right foot. This will keep the ankle and knee in line, reducing the rotation of the knee when coming into half lotus. Slowly place your right ankle high on your left thigh. Raise your hips to anchor the sitting bones down into the mat, which helps to keep the hips even, and the left hip internal rotated, and the right hip external rotated. Keep the right ankle in dorsiflexion and the toes are sticking out. And firmly press the legs into the mat. Inhale, raise the arms to the sides of the head to lengthen the spine. Exhale, rotate the torso towards the bent knee. Inhale, take your right arm behind your back and grab your right big toe. Use your left hand to assist if the right hand couldn't reach for the big toe. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, rotate the body back to the front of the legs. And the left hand grab hold of the left toe. Inhale, elongate the spine. With an exhale, hinge the hips forward so you bring the belly, the chest, and the head towards the straight leg. While maintaining in yogi toe locks, adjust the right shoulder to bring it level to the left shoulder. Engage the abdominals. To deepen the forward bend, you start to feel the pressure on the left side of the lower abdomen. The right heel is pressing against it. The left hand is pulling toes towards the ground, and the heel is stretching out for a deeper stretch onto the hamstrings and calf muscles. Hold the pose for 1 minute and take slow, deep breaths. To release, inhale, reverse the order of movement, and return back to Dandasana. Repeat on the other side. Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana, half lotus leg stretch pose. This pose is a transition from Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana, half-bound lotus seated forward bend. This pose requires a lot of strength, flexibility, and balance, as the foundation is only at the hips. Inhale, bend the right knee and bring it tight close towards the chest while maintaining the left leg in half lotus. Place the interlaced fingers at the bottom of the right foot. Lean backwards, slightly onto the coccyx. Let the sit bones, tailbone, and pubic bone move toward each other and simultaneously strongly engage the pelvic floor. Gently pull in the abdomen and draw the stomach back towards the spine. Allow the stomach to thrust towards the sit bones and down onto the floor. Once established the foundation, inhale and slowly raise the right leg and straighten the knee. Pull the head of the right femur deeply into the pelvis. Engage the right inner thigh that will rotate the leg inwards. Engage the half lotus leg by drawing it towards the chest. This is to reduce the pushing or heaviness towards the straight leg. Balance on the back of the buttock. Bring the raised leg closer to the body as you exhale, using the grasped hands to support it. The shoulders are internal rotated with the elbows pointing out to the sides. The spine is in upright position. There is no gap between the body and the legs. Keep drawing the half lotus leg towards the chest to prevent it from kicking out towards the straight leg. This will help to keep the body in balance. Stay here for 1 minute and breathe slowly. To release, reverse the order of movement. Back to Dandasana and repeat for the other side.